the bins for like maybe 45 minutes, and then we went to Goodwill. That's what we did today. We're looking for treasures. What are we gonna find? Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a lot to do, okay? Today we are going to consignment to try to get rid of some old inventory. We're going to go to the bins and Goodwill and all that stuff and find some stuff to flip for profit. If you don't know, I'm a reseller. I resell on Poshmark, Mercari, Depop, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and now Curtsy, which I've already made 3 sales on that. Okay, so I wanted to show you this really quickly. This is the bag that I take to the Goodwill bins. I actually found it at the bins, and then we just continue to take it because if you don't know, I go with my kids, and sometimes if I see something, I got to just run up with the bag and put it in there. And then it's easier to check out with it as well, so you don't have to put a bunch of things in the little thing. Also, this is the stuff I'm taking to consignment. Just a little bag there. See what we can get out of that stuff. And I know you guys are going to be asking, where did I get my hat from? So I got this from Culture Kings. Okay, so I went ahead and took stuff to Plato's Closet already, and then we decided to go to the Goodwill bin. So here I am running inside with my son because he wanted to beat his dad inside. He's a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. Okay, look at all these bins. There's actually a lot of people here today. So I just did not really feel like looking through the clothes as much. So we went more towards the back today, which is unlike me. But I'm looking for shoes and stuff to flip for a profit. Here we go. Also, tell me what your favorite thing or the coolest find that you've ever found at the bins is. And even though a lot of these were already picked over when we first got in, you still want to look at them because I found stuff, and you can always find stuff that other people aren't looking for. Also, I went ahead and muted it because they were playing holiday music over the intercom, and you know how that is. Don't want to get flagged. So let me know down in the comments if you guys saw anything in this video that you would have picked up that I personally did not. I'm always curious about that. Like, for instance, these high heels right here, I almost picked them up, but I didn't just because they kind of looked like an off-white, like a dingy. I don't know if they were supposed to be like that or what. Yeah, like a lot of this stuff was just like one shoe or bad shoes, no name brand that like doesn't even have a style to it, or just like random pieces, like these tree ends. I don't know. But we don't give up. We keep looking. Like I said, I was only in here for like an hour and I got enough stuff, you'll see here in a couple of minutes, to flip for profit and still make money. Oh, we found the baby Crocs. I've already sold these before, so I instantly grabbed these up. And then this was so cool, this cross with Jesus on it. That one I've never seen before. We'll talk about it later. And I just wanted to show you guys the bins and how they bring them out. I don't know if your guys' bins does this, but our bins kind of switches pretty good. I know some bins stores like don't even switch out. You just get what's out there in one day. I can't even imagine that, but yeah. We're looking for treasures. What are we gonna find? Really nothing in this bin. I found Coach and Michael Kors the one time I was here, but it's been a while. Coco Melon. A lot of plushes through here too. Some are good and some are not. So about 55 minutes later, we were done. I went to Plato's Closet and they gave me a whopping $10 for these 4 items. That was an Athleta skirt and then a Quicksilver top, Madewell top. So we decided to go to Goodwill to see if we can find any more gems. And as you'll see here in a couple of minutes when I talk about it, their prices are wah, wah, wah. Yeah. But like I said, if you see anything in the video that you would have picked up that I did not, please let me know down in the comments. Okay, you guys, so we're home now, and I'm going to show you what I got from like the bins and the Goodwill. We were at the bins for like maybe 45 minutes, and then we went to Goodwill, which they raised their prices for the holiday season. So that's absolutely crazy. Okay, so we're going to start off with the stuff that I got at the bins. The first thing that I found were these Croc flip-flops. They're in pretty good condition. You can tell that they're worn, but they're still in sellable condition. So these are a size 8. And then I found these Crocs sandals. These are a size 8 as well. They are the iconic comfort Crocs. Sorry. So I found those as well at the bins. We also found this, and this is vintage. I can tell by the waistband. It does have a little bit of dirt on it. I'm going to try to get it out. But these are definitely vintage shorts. The waistband almost feels like, you know, like the elastic back in the day. So the next thing that I found at the bins was this. I don't even know how to say this. Zaya Active. ZYIA Active is a size medium. This is really cute. I almost want to keep it. Has like mesh right there. Super cute. Really good quality as well. And it has this really cute like bottom cut there. The next thing that we found was this. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. I can't even. This is so pretty. So it's a cross, and then it has Jesus on there with like little flowers and stuff. So, so pretty. I cannot believe we found that at the bins. And I cannot believe we found it at the bins not broken. Crazy. The next thing that I found were these Crocs. These things look brand new. These are a kid size 7. Like, I actually might fit my kid right now, but these look brand new. They don't even look like they're worn. The next thing that I found was another pair of Crocs. Now these ones look a little worn, but we grabbed them anyways. We can sell them. These are a size 7 as well. The next thing that we found at the bins was this this tie. I don't even know how to pronounce this. We just took a chance on it because it looks really nice, and it says it is Italian silk collection. So the next thing that we got was a tailor-made golf hat. Really good quality. Doesn't even look worn. It looks brand new. Not even kidding. Looks brand new. So that's cool. The next thing that we got at the bins was these Hey Dudes. Girls Hey Dudes. They need cleaned. C8. We love Hey Dudes around here. The next thing that I found was this Lightning McQueen swim top. Really good condition for being white as well. It's a 12 months. So unless my son goes swimming anytime soon, I'm going to have to sell this. Okay, so we're moving on to what I got at Goodwill. Like I said, their prices were like $3 to $6 more than what they normally are because we go to these Goodwills all the time. So they've jacked up their prices for the holiday season. Just an FYI. Not cool, Goodwill. You get the stuff for free. Anyways, here's a little tip for you. Go to the back when you go to the Goodwill where like people try stuff on. There's a rack there all the time. Look what I found in that rack. This is an On Cloud, extra small. It's like a running women run on cloud. Yeah, it's white, not dirty at all. Looks brand new. These go for like $130 online when I look them up. The next thing that we found back there in that same spot, look at this, you guys. See that? Oh yeah. You see that? Oh yeah. This is cute. I almost want to just keep it for myself. We found a lot of white today. The next thing that I found was this. We have no idea what this is. Dark Seas division. I don't know. It just looks really cool. If it doesn't sell, it's fine. We'll keep it. We love graphic tees around here. Really cool. Like I said, I haven't even looked that up yet. And then this, we all know what this is. This is Lucky brand. Still has the tag. It is down here. This shirt is originally $40. This is a 1X Coca-Cola collab with Lucky brand. We love to see it. And then my favorite of the day, other than that cross was really cool. We found these for $10. If you know, they discontinued making these. These are my size though. So I don't know whether to list them or to keep them. I love them so much. They're so like, they're a men's 7, but like they fit me because it's like an 8.5 to 9 with the Adidas. So I almost want to keep them. I don't know. That's what we did today. I also do want to mention that I got these as well. Everything that I got from the bins was only $13. And so that comes out to like $1.80 a piece that I, paid for them. But I'm going to keep these Crocs sandals for the summer. We got this air compressor, and then I got a Nike shirt for my son, and then a Hurley sweatshirt for my son. We didn't count this in the $13 either. So this is free basically. All of my links are linked down in the description. So They try to hide the description nowadays from you. So just find it and you'll find them all. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok at Blondiesrack. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video. With your girl, G. And if you want to check out what sold recently on Poshmark, click on that video over there.